All right. I'll tell you the truth.
Go on.
The next morning, I read the stories of the brutal murder of the 2 police officers. I also read the witness's statement about the bullets having no effect upon the killer. I felt sorry for the witness, and I thought about how easily a person's mind can become confused when suddenly they receive a brutal shock. I didn't believe a man existed who could not be stopped by a slug from a .45.
I've got a hunch this killer's gonna be our baby. Man, the chief's on my neck, the commissioners are on his, and the mayor's on theirs. Now, am I supposed to tell them that our killer is a dead man?
Once a dead man, always a dead man.